welcome back to a vlog, a day in my life. And today's vlog is going to be more about my life, like my day in my life, obviously what I do in a day, my work, plus a few things here and there. Actually, I love vlogging and I know you guys really love my vlogs. I just never start, like I never start recording, I never start filming, and after that I regret that, oh shit, I should have vlogged and I should have showed you guys. So yeah, finally I will vlog today's day in my life. Anything, like if a small thing is also happening with me, I'm going to share that with you, or I'm going to document. I'm trying to document it for my day-to-day life, for my YouTube especially. So right now I am going to get ready, use a bit of sunscreen, do my eyebrows, and I have to shoot for L'Oreal today, so for their Cannes campaign that they are having, so I have to shoot for that. I'm so excited and so happy that I'm a part of it. Isn't and this is the hyaluronic acid sunscreen. Gives you that beautiful glow to your skin. So it is very important to keep your skin hydrated. So I keep my skin hydrated with sunscreen. See the glow on my skin right now. My eyebrow pencil. By the way, I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Makeup Revolution, shade dark brown. The precise eyebrow pencil that they have. That's pretty much it. I'm going to go and change. I have to wear a bathrobe and then have to film. Let's get started. The setup right now, I have all the products over here and I have to do one unboxing video, so that's what I will do. And as you guys can see, here is my camera and this is what the setup looks like. So filming is almost done. Now I have to edit laptop and edit it because I have to send them video by today. So never skip my work. Like whenever I know I have deadline, I will finish it up first and then I will do something else. The plan for now, my skin is feeling so hydrated. Ready. I'm gonna add, oh my god, so I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and look how beautifully this is melting. And then I will just add some garlic. How butter and garlic smells together. Comment below if you are like me, if you love the smell of butter and garlic together. I think I have to add a little bit of maida. There it is. And then I have to add the milk to mix it really well so that like you don't have any lumps like this. Once it gets thick, add some black pepper. I'm just adding things that I already have. And add chili flakes, I guess. And add some mixed herbs and mix this really well. Now add your pasta. I mixed it properly. Now if you want, you can add one cheese. So here I have my pasta, which is ready to eat. I'm doing my skincare routine right now and I'm trying to do it regularly. Of course I do it regularly, but like now I am trying to do it more for few upcoming stuff and few functions and everything. So I just now used this DHC face wash powder. It's so good. It's a little bit expensive, but it's so good. So this is their mini one that they have, and I also used, this is the one that I used from isn't it? This is the AHA essence. AHA is really good for your skin. And after that, I will go with my hyaluronic acid serum from HHA Skin. I'm gonna link it down below so that you guys can check them out. This serum, this is my second time using this product. Like, not using this product, this is my second time purchasing this product, and it is so good. Moisturizer, I will use this Laneige water sleeping mask moisturizer and apply it on my face. Use lots of moisturizer. I was saying mascara. Lots of moisturizer or under your eyes, your eye area. See how glowing my skin looks right now. Hi guys, so today is 19th May. That means today is my birthday. I just now took a shower and I haven't washed my hair because my hair is like already washed, like day 2, day 3 here. So I'm gonna get ready. Mausam is gonna come, he's on the way, his mother is also coming. We're gonna have a small family time. Big party will be this Sunday. Many of my friends are coming and it will be so much fun. So that's why I thought I'm gonna vlog today, because I know I can't vlog on Sunday because I will be so busy. But of course I'm gonna post pictures and reels. Going to get ready, do my makeup. I'm sweating so much. I have to switch on my AC. Makeup, I'm just gonna go and change my outfit. I think today I'm gonna wear one dress, like a very beautiful full length maxi dress. I just love maxi dresses, so I'm gonna wear that. Okay, so this is the dress that I am wearing. I am gonna show you guys the full outfit, but first I have to do my eyebrows. I will not do anything else, like no foundation, nothing, because it's extremely hot. You can see me right over here that how hot it is. So keeping my makeup is it's impossible, okay? And there is nothing called sweat proof makeup. Use a little bit of concealer. I think this is the shade Honey. Should I use this one? Just a little bit. Oh my god, my face is so sweaty right now. I just can't do my makeup. And I will just use this powder. This is from L'Oreal. This is their oil killer powder. Mascara. Also some lip and cheek tint, just to have that fresh. And Mausam is actually going to surprise me with something. I don't know what it is. Like, I can't even guess what it is. So I'm really excited for that. See this Etude House fixing tint for my lips. So this is my hair and makeup, as simple as possible. And yeah, just like a fresh face. And I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. You can't see the full outfit, but this is just like a maxi dress. It's full length and so comfortable as well. So yeah, this is my makeup of the day, like my birthday makeup look. Hi guys, I just want to sit here and talk to you guys. I'm gonna end the vlog. In this vlog, I just want to show you guys what I received, and because all these products contain so much love in them and they are so special to me, and it just makes me so happy how everyone celebrated my birthday. My entire family was there. So the birthday party, which I talked about it, so it's on 22nd, which is Sunday, this Sunday. Before that you will see this vlog, but this was just with Mausam's family and my family. Like, his father was not there because of some work issue, but he will be there on Sunday. Made my birthday so special, and it was really lovely. Show you something which is very cute, by the way. It's not any gift, but I feel like it's very cute and it's kind of like a gift. So when I woke up, I saw that this picture was there in front of my vanity, which my mom kept so that I can see. This is when I was in class 5, I guess. And this is my brother, this is my dad, and this is my mom. And this is such a cute family picture. Just to surprise me and show you guys this, Mausam's mom actually gifted me this Zara baggy jeans, which is so adorable, so cute. I'm gonna put few pictures right over here. You guys already saw me. This is so cute. My favorite Zara jeans ever. It's baggy, it's comfortable, it's super cute, and it's pink. Okay, it's pink. She also gifted me perfumes from Zara, which, by the way, this is Zara Gardenia. This smells heavenly, and I've heard so many good reviews about this product. And oh my god, I was wearing this all day. It is such a beautiful perfume. Look at that. And then I also have Zara tube rose. This is the one. So beautiful. And so many of you guys asked me that if this smells like Rajnigandha, but no, this smells like rose, you know. And my favorite special gift that Mausam actually gifted me, he actually illustrated something for me, and oh my god, I just can't believe it is so special and so cute. This is the illustration that Mausam actually illustrated for me. So this is my cat Minnie, and this is me right over here, and this is the exact picture how, like, this is exactly how I adore her, and this is exactly how she looks and how I look. He just illustrated it. It is so cute. It's so special. Just like it is so beautiful. Gifted me this. I was like, what? Like, literally what? I haven't vlogged that much because I was actually enjoying my time with my family. But yeah, I think you guys really enjoyed today's vlog. That was it. I hope you guys loved this mini vlog. I will try to vlog more. I'm going for a 2 to 3 days vacation, so I'm gonna vlog there as well. That's it. I think that's it for the vlog. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.